How to fix Snapchat error code C14A. In this video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go to your settings of your phones and go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK, and then you have to back now and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do next guys, you have to go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be solved. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.